Swagitya Priyadarshini, mute your mic. Priyadarshini, why can you hear you? Mute your mic. Swagit. Okay. Then similarly, last type of YC, that is actually this type is transformed to what? Either it comes as a form in terms of type 1, that is f of PQ type, or f of ZPQ. Means you can write similarly, you can write the CAN, you can find out. Similarly, next type I discussed what I discussed actually in same pattern. F of Z power M into P, Z power M into Q. That you will get. That is, this was if we substituted, this transform to what? Type 4 will come. X comma Z power MP, that is X power Y power Z power MP. That also you can substitute it, you can write. That is, you can see. Now we are going to see Lagrange's form. Lagrange's form is what we will have PP plus Q is equal to R. One P is nothing but dou Z by dou X. Another P is what? Function of X by Z. Q. One Q is what? Dou Z by dou Y. Just a normal notation. Another Q is what? Function of X by Z is equal to capital R means what? That is also function of X by Z. This time how we will write. So one by one we see. See, if it is video or audio is not good means you can tell. I will explain directly. This I will show now. Just anyone after starting you can tell.
Hi friends. Hi friends. This is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pulle. Previous classes we discussed first order nonlinear PDAs, 6 types we discussed, and previous videos before that actually we discussed
See here, capital P, capital QR is what? Functions of x, y, z. Small p, small q is what? Dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y. This you can write dx by capital P, dy by capital Q, dz by R. Correct or not? This is called Lagrange's form. Now finding solution, you can take any two combinations, either dx by p or dy by q. Then integrate both sides. If you take dx by p means what? What you will get? Function of x alone you can do. Now we are actually grouping method is there and multiples are there. First how I will group is here, dx by p, dy by p. Here capital P, capital Q is what? Functions of x, y, z. Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Capital P, capital Q, capital R is what? Function. So how it will have P into P, Q into Q is equal to R. The small p, small q is dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, dou z by dou r. Capital P, capital Q, capital R, what? Functions of x, y. Now you can take dx by p, d, w by. See, while selecting you can do dx by p, dy by q means what? If you are able to get with dx fully function of x, with dy function of q means you can able to integrate, otherwise it's highly impossible. With dx means what? You can bring all functions of x. With y you can bring all functions of y. Then these, suppose if it is okay means what? Here one solution I will get, solution of f of phi 1 of x comma y like this. After solving, I will take combination dx by p, dy by q, or that is what? Dy by q, dz by r. Any two combinations I will take, I will solve. I will get two solutions that I will call. One solution is u1, another solution is u2. Total solution is what? Phi of u comma u1 comma u2 is equal to 0. Then while removing the constant one type you done, you remember or not? Phi of u comma v is equal to 0 means how you done? Tell. Arbitrary constants I removed, arbitrary functions I removed, then later that one type I done, or you remember, phi of u comma v is equal to 0 means how you will solve?
By Jacobian method.
Very good. Jacobian of ux, uy, vx, vy is equal to 0, I said, you know. That is actually from there I am bringing this fellow. Now I am in my hand answer, I am going back to that shape. Reaching or not? There I got answer. This if I solve I will get something. Now keeping in my hand that something, I am going back. Who is the question like this? Correct or not? Now you can see. You will get one solution u of x y is equal to 0, another solution v of x y comma 0. That is two solutions you will get. Take another two combinations. Such a way you can do, you have to integrate, otherwise it's very danger. You can take dx by p, then dq by r, or dy by q, dr by any two you can take. It's not 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1 also. But such a way you have to integrate. I am taking second. This is I am explaining method. While doing the problem, you will understand. This another solution you will get v of x comma y is equal to c2. Then total solution, how can I write? Phi of c1 comma, that is uv is equal to 0. This is method of grouping. Such a way you can group, try to solve the question. Okay, now going to do one problem, you'll understand. Okay, now okay, sir. Somebody told actually. Now okay, it's okay for you. All of you okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Because some people they are telling that audio is disturbance, so I will explain here. See, next type is what? Method of multipliers. You don't get directly answer. Sometimes you can multiply x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz like this. There I am giving one example. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. can I write 1 minus 2 is equal to, this is what, each ratio are equal or not? Actually meaning is what, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4 like this. Why I will tell you later actually while doing the problem. If you multiply with the numerator 3 means what, denominator also you can multiply. You have no right to change it. That is called each ratio is equal. Similarly, what I will do here, one multiple I will use is equal to some constant actually. Some is equal to some ratio. So what I will do, x dx or y dy plus z dz I will do. Or lmn I will take. L dx plus m dy is equal to what? Lp mq plus nr. Because I have no right to change the problem. So what you will get actually, getting on a dx by b, dy by q, dz by r is equal to what? Each I am multiplying divided by L in first term. L dx plus m dy plus n dz by Lr. Suppose if numerator is equal to 0 means denominator also 0. That is numerator 0 means whole thing 0. But denominator not 0. Can you say anyone actually why it's I'm taking? See. While taking actually what I am doing, L dx plus m dy plus n dz, the denominator what I am getting, Lp plus mq plus nr. Suppose if it is denominator 0 means what, immediately I am telling numerator 0. Is it allowed? Why I am telling? Tell anyone of you. Denominator 0 I am telling. While doing this what multiplies, what I will get, sometimes denominator I will get 0. Lp plus mq plus nr in denominator term. So then how can you say numerator is equal to 0? Can you tell any one of you? Are you there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is there. See, now
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
see, listen, 1 minute, listen. Now in my hand, what I'm having, that is dx by p, dy by q, dz by r. What I'm doing, numerator multiplying by L, then first term, m, n. So what I got, each ratio I know, L dx plus m dy plus n dz is equal, divided by what we will get, Lp plus mr, sorry, mq plus nr. Suppose if denominator 0 means what? I'm barely telling numerator also 0. How can you say? But mathematically it is not allowed, you know, denominator anything by 0 means you cannot say. But here I can say barely. How? Any one of you tell? Yes or no? Or I will go next. I will explain. You don't know means don't know, tell, no problem.
So maybe to get a finite solution.
What?
Maybe to get a finite solution because something by
No,
0.
no. But one thing you can see, blind, carefully you can see, but this fellow is equal to who? This is equal to, can I write dx by p? This is equal to, can I write dy by q? This is equal to write dz by q, can I write or not? Each ratio. So dx by p is equal to this fellow, dy by q is equal to this fellow, dz by r also this fellow or not? Getting on at each ratio, you see?
Yes, sir.
1 by 2
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to, I am telling 3 by 6. What 3 by this, each ratio equal to this next term, you know. So this first term, this whole term is equal to, can I write dx by means what? 0, I am multiplying that side. So that's why numerator is equal to 0. This is equal to some ratio. I am taking 0 that side. Mathematically, if you see deeply, that is the meaning. Normally, every textbook, what they will tell, if numerator, denominator 0 means numerator. But if you go and see mathematically, this fellow is equal to what? Either dx by p, dy by q, or dz by r. So this 0, if I am taking that side, means what? 0 into that fellow is equal to what? Obviously, what you will get? A dx plus n dy, n dz is equal to 0. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is
Yes, sir.
very, very important. Directly, you cannot tell denominator 0 means this numerator also 0. Highly impossible. Numerator also 0, denominator also means what? Indeterminate form. I think maybe I am explaining there on that same thing only. So each ratio is equal to same, I am telling. You see, this question is what? Px plus qy is equal to z. Now, who is capital P? This is in the form of P, P, Q, Q is equal to R or not? Who is capital P? Who is capital P? P into capital P, Q into capital Q is equal to Z I am telling, or I am telling. Who is capital P here? So I want to write, this is the Lagrange's form. I want to write dx by capital P is equal to dy by capital R, dy by capital Q is equal to dz by R. Who is capital P here? Who is capital P? Dx by who will come? Dx by who will come?
Z.
X. Dy by?
Z.
Y.
Dy by z. Who is telling me? Because I am not able to see the screen is OP. Dy by is what?
Y.
Dz by? Dz by what, sir? Z. Say yes. Dx by x, dy by y, dz by z. So this is the Lagrange's form. Now, I want to get two solutions. Which two terms if you take, you will get the solution till dx by x, dy by y, dz by z. Which two equations nicely you will get till two terms I want to take one time. Either dx by x is equal to dy by y. Can I able to do or not? Yes, tell me, sir. I am taking dx by x is equal to dy by y. Can I able to integrate or not? Tell.
Yes.
I am grouping first 1 and 2 terms. I am grouping. Can I able to integrate or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
what you will get? 1 by x, the integral of 1 by x dx is equal to 1 by y means what? Log x is equal to log y. In answer also, in all log means what? On c also you can take log c. So answer is what? Log x minus log y is equal to log c. Log x minus log means what? Log of x by y is equal to log c. So x by y is equal to c1. First group. If you do second group, what you will take? dy by y is equal to dz by z. Then that how can you do actually? Log y is equal to log z plus log c2. Log y minus log z is equal to log c2. Log of y by z is equal to log c2. Y by z is equal to c2. So phi of c1 comma c2 is equal to solution. So phi of x by y comma y by z is equal to 0. That's it. Now you can check. Integrating on both sides that symbol. Everything in terms of log means answer also you can take log. I am removing log. Log of x by y is equal to log c1. Log I am removing. Now I am taking 2 comma 3. 2 and 3. Grouping.
Now solution is what? So what will you get? X by y. This is already written actually phi of u comma v. So we saw it from that. Now if you are there in the question means you will get back the answer at the 1 marks also you will reach the next question. The way of reaching or not. It's very very important you will see question. These are the direct questions. Direct question is not direct means what we do no actually. So grouping method to problem then they will multipliers. Try for grouping this exercise p plus q is equal to 1 p plus zq is equal to 1 xp plus yq is equal to 2z x plus 2 into p plus 2yq is equal to 2z x square p plus y square q is equal to z square xp plus yq is equal to 0 2p plus 3q is equal to 1 So these are the problems using the method of the grouping. I hope you can able to attack nicely, you will get the answer. If you don't get that, again the whole story, you can WhatsApp or text me at 98400 any language to improve our channel and give the suggestions. Thank you for watching our video. Bye. Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pulepu.
Actually, it's audio here only problem. If you go and see directly in channel, you can understand. I think so. Actually, audio will be no disturbance there. Okay or not? Now I will explain later. Also, you can check there. Actually, getting or not? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
will
Yes.
explain to now actually dubbing voice. There you can go to channel and again you can check. There should be clarity is there. I think in system, my laptop maybe problem. Or actually inside voice maybe echo coming. Now actually we do multipliers method. One problem I will explain. You see. Sir, this problem is very, very important. I told you it will come 3 times. You said where it will come actually. I told you one fellow will come 3 times. I told you while starting. Can you tell what is the question? Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is all the assignment question. There is a simple mistake, sign mistakes. This is the correct question actually. X into z square minus y square into p, y into x square minus z square into q is equal to z into x square minus y square. This is the correct question. Somebody they given plus I given, I think so. That is wrong. This is the correct question. Make it correct actually. In assignment 1 I given, you know, this is the correct question. Similarly, in first question also xyz comma lx plus my nz comma is there. That is 2 terms phi of u comma v type. Now I told you this fellow will come 3 times. How many? Already 2 times completed. This is 3rd time. First 2 times where it's come, can you tell? One problem I done, remember or not? Xyz is equal to phi of x square plus y square plus z square. Removing the function. What is my answer? x into z square minus y square into p plus y into x square minus z square into q is equal to z into x square minus y square. I got or not? The same problem I done. Phi of x, y, z, comma, x square plus y square plus z square. I told or not? It's very, very important question I told. That is also answer is what the same fellow or not? Now the same fellow, they are giving answer in your hand. They are asking question. Now can you say what is the answer? Now tell immediately, any one of you guess and tell what is my answer. Phi of what answer I will get, tell. What is answer? This is actually the answer for that fellow question. Now they are giving a question. Actually answer is given. I want to find the question. That is answer for this fellow. Who is that now? Tell, any one of you tell phi of who will come?
X square plus y square plus z square.
Then
Is
comma
equal
who
to
will come?
x, y, z.
Very good. So this fellow answer is what? Phi of x, y, z, comma, x square plus y square plus z square. You will enjoy actually if you know that. Once if you know the answer from the last line, you can start and do attack the problem. That is the maths actually. That or not? So already in your hand answer is there. Whatever maybe you can do if you don't know means what? Hence proved phi of x, y, z, comma, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. Solution like this. In between some stable we will see. Now okay. Can I start now problem? It's a very, very good problem. See slowly. Now, what you will get? Dx by who will come? Same thing I am telling you what I told dubbed before I dubbed actually. 3 times I told you now. So dx by who will coming? X comma z square minus y square dy by y into. See, y means remaining two fellows x and z. Z means remaining two fellows x and y. That's cyclic order x, y, z, y, z, x, z, x, y. That order you don't miss. Already your lower standard you are studied x, y, z, x to y, y to z, z to x means cyclic order. See how nicely it will come. Very beautiful question. Now, how you will solve? Can anyone tell actually this problem? Any two, if I take, I will get the answer integrating. Can I able to integrate? Tell. If I take first two, can I integrate? No. Dx means I want purely x because z is headache there. Dy means fully y. But x, okay, x also if I may bring means z is there. So any two, if I take, I don't get. So what you will do now? Tell. Any idea? Tell what you will do.
Of multiplies.
Very good. What you will do? Multipliers means. Tell me. See, right or wrong, you can attack. No problem. You can speak out. Speak out. Tell me, yeah, no problem. Wrong, see, wrong also nothing. It's not a big issue. You are learning because you are also doing first time. Nobody, nothing will happen. Tell wrong also. Daily can speak. Allah, they are sleeping. Multiply, somebody told good actually. What multiply means you will get the answer. Multiply and something you can add. First fellow multiply with some fellow. Second fellow multiply with some fellow. Third fellow you can multiply some fellow. Is equal to you can write. Then what you will do? That is I want. Now idea I given. Can you tell?
X, Y, Z.
Very good, good. Taking x, y, z as a multiplus, what I will do? X dx, then y dy plus z dz. So what you will get? X dx means denominator. What you will get? X square into that fellow remaining fellow. Y square into remaining fellow. Z square into remaining fellow. If you add means what? Plus minus. Denominator 0. Denominator 0 means automatically numerator what? Numerator what? 0. But numerator cannot be 0. That is equal to what? That whole term is equal to maybe dx by this fellow, dy by this fellow, dz by this fellow. So then what is the answer? What will you get? X dx plus y dy plus z dz is equal to 0 means integrate means what you will get? Tell. vector in our hand. Question is there x dx plus y dy plus z dz is equal to 0. Integrate. What you will get? X dx integration is what?
X square by 2 plus
Very
y
good.
square plus z
Very
square by
good.
2.
Plus z square by 2. All are two disturbance. I want appearance should be good shape actually. Always beautiful answer I want. The 2 also I will take, that's it. So x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2c1, that I can take. K1 can I call? Are you agree or not? So one already I told you, I want to get x square plus y square plus z square is answer. Another fellow is what? XYZ. I want to get XYZ means what you want to think. Now next multiplus is what? Tell. Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you one hint. You see, taking multipliers 1 by x comma 1 by y 1 by z. First term multiply by 1 by x and divide by 1 by x. Second term multiply by 1 by y, divide by 1 by y. 1 by z dz. What will happen? You can add 1 by x plus dx plus 1 by y plus dy. 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz. What will happen? Tell. Denominator is what? Denominator is what? 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz is equal. Denominator what will get? X will cancel, z square minus y square plus x square minus y square plus x square minus z square. Everything will cancel or not? So denominator 0 means obviously numerator is what? 0. So this fellow become what? 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz. Integrating both sides. What you will get? 1 by x integration is what? 1 by x
Log
integration. 1 by y integration?
minus 1 by y square.
Hey, minus 1 by y. Yeah. How?
log
1
y.
by y integration minus 1 by y. Yeah. Hey, tell your name. I will shoot you. 1 by y integration is what?
Log y.
1 by z.
Log z.
So my answer is what? Left side. Log x plus log y plus log z is equal to log c2. Correct or not? Log x plus log y plus log z plus, can I write log of x y z?
Yes,
Log
sir.
of x y is equal to log c2. Then what is this?
Yes, sir.
X y z is equal to c2. Already first answer, what answer I get? X square plus y square plus z square. So my solution is what? Pi of x square plus y square plus z square comma x y z is equal to 0. Hence proved. Can you show now?
Yes, sir.
Here I am taking first multipliers 1 by x 1 by y. Nothing will happen. Whatever you can take, nothing will happen. You can take. X only I am taking nothing. So. There I am taking multiplying divided by x by x actually. Correct or not? So also in one stroke I am
Yes,
taking. I don't see one. So everything I am skipping actually. I don't want to show. Then next multiply I will take 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Multiplying divided by 1 by x. That's both sides multiplying by 1 by x actually. Taking a multiplier as a 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Numerator 1 by x means what? Denominator also can use 1 by x. X will cancel. So we have no right to change the answer. Question 1 by x is denominator as well. Very good problem, compulsory problem.
Alemania funded studies. But actresses personally होते हैं.
Hey, somebody talking here. Mute your mics. See, this problem is very good problem actually. See, first term what I am having actually mz minus ny into p. Second term is what? Lm nx minus lz into q, ly minus nq. See, this how a relation actually. I am writing element lm n x y z. L is there means what, x is not. L is not there, x is not there. But remaining to how you see determinant you can take mz minus ny is there or not. Second fellow see m and y you can remove. Lz minus nx is there or minus or whatever. Third time we see nz if you remove means what, ly minus mx, that combination is there. So which terms you will use till now? First term what is missing? L and X missing. Second term M and Y missing. Third term N and Z. So very good. They may ask actually instead of L and 2, 3, 4 also they will ask. 2, 3, 4 means what? First term what you will get actually 2 and X which will have remaining 2 X combination 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Instead of LML some numbers they will do. So don't confuse. This is the fashion actually. This problem how they will frame is, this is the fashion of the problem. Now you can tell. Suppose you can write dx by something, dy by something, then it multipliers you can try and tell me. It's very good problem.
Multiply by LMN, taking multipliers LMN, so what? LDX MDY NDZ is what? Becomes 0. So this is what?
See, when I told you directly what you will do. First term taking a multipliers LMN, what you will do LDX plus MDY plus NDZ. Denominator what you will get, all L into that below, M into that below, everything will cancel. So denominator 0 means what? Numerator also 0. So answer is what? LX plus NY plus NZ. Correct or not? Then next second multiplier you can try.
Similarly, what you will take Lx plus mx plus ny you can take, or xyz also you can take. Taking multipliers xyz, multipliers xyz, x dx plus y dy, z dz. If you do this one, denominator becomes 0. Integrating, what you will get? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to c2. Now solution is what? Phi of c1 comma c2 is equal to 0. Phi of Lx plus Ly plus nz, then x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. This is solution. So this is the way I can do. So lot of questions are there. Few questions I will do, just you can try. So second problem, maybe I go fast because already we know taken for granted. Don't feel. If you have any doubts at any time, you can text me and clarify your doubts. Some few problems I will do.
See, the second problem also very important. Tell me how you will do. First, who is missing? Tell actually in first term. B minus C divided by A. A is not denominator. Y z is there. Second term, who is there? Who is missing? Can you tell? Second, who is missing in second term? X z is there. Who is missing? All of you there.
Y,
Third term,
Z.
Z. So how you will? What are the multipliers? Can you try? It's very good problem actually. What are the multiples? Tell. Denominator, how to get 0 such a way you can choose. Am I confusing a lot?
Sir, is there a P with the YZ as well in the first part?
Yeah, good. P is there. Good. Printing mistake. P is there. Thank you. First question P is there, sir. With P actually B minus A into YZ into P. Right, right. Thank you. The P I have forgotten. Then what you will do? Tell me. It's very good problem actually. Anyway, I will send you notes. Don't worry. PDF notes, fully solutions. Anyone tells her one multiplies, tell I can leave actually.
XYZ.
XYZ means 0 will come at try.
Okay.
XYZ okay, but can you get 0 if you add x into first term, y into third term, second means what 0 will come at try. Some disturbance is there. Think. Work XYZ absolutely 90% is correct. 10% you think. Denominator who is there in the first term?
A.
Then tell now. Give an answer in my your hand. Answer is there. Now only you told. Now you can tell answer now. XYZ is correct. A is there. So what you will do? What you are very bad. I am only shouting. Whether you are there or not, I don't know. XY is it correct, sir? I want to remove a denominator. So what you will do numerator?
Sir, AX, BY,
Multiply
CZ.
with A.
Come on. Tell. What are the AX plus BY
BY,
plus CZ? Over. Getting or not? Just if you take XYZ means what denominator A is there, no, that is very headache. We cannot remove, we cannot get 0. So that A also I want to remove. If I multiply A means what? A will cancel. Correct or not? Getting or not? Then automatically becomes 0. Next coefficient you can try because I don't want to trouble.
Again, this is our old friend. Instead of LMN is giving 2, 3, 4. Again, same probably can try.
See this problem also what actually? Instead of LMN what they given? 2, 3, 4. Can you able to do or not? Similarly what we done LMN we introduce them LX MX by done. Like this you can do. They may ask this question also actually. Instead of LMN they may do 2, 3, 4.
These all are very, very important questions. Guarantee questions. Examination.
Tell fifth question how you will do, tell any one of you. What you will get dx by x square, dy by y square, dz by x. Which two terms you will take first tell? Right, in notes you can write down dx by x square is equal to dy by y square, dz by x. Which two you will take tell? Fifth question. Direct question actually this is. Dx by x square, dy by y square, dz by x. Which two terms you will take first? First two terms, if you take integration, what you will get? Dx by x square, dy by y square. What you will get integrating on both sides? 1 by x square integration is what?
Minus 1 by x.
1 by y square integration.
Minus 1 by y.
So happy I will get one answer minus 1 by x minus 1 by y. If I take LCM, what you will get? X plus y by x by I will get actually. Correct or not? First answer is equal to C1. Then second, which two you will take? Tell me.
First
You
and
know-
third.
Huh?
First and third one, sir.
Very good. First and third only chance. Second and third if you take, highly impossible. Dz by x means first you can write this is in the form of like ranges dx by x square, dy by y square, dz by x. Taking first two you will get x plus y by x. Then first and third grouping what you will get dx by x square. Then dz by what? Dz by who will come?
X.
So
X, sir.
integrating, then what you will do? How you will attack? Tell me.
So we'll take x to the other side and cancel it with
At
x.
both side you can cancel actually. We are taking that side also actually correct meaning that only, or you can cancel it. Dx by x is equal to dz. So what is my answer?
Minus 1 by x is equals to z.
Hey, 1 by x. Huh?
Log x equals
So
to
z is equal to log x.
Log x is equal to
z.
plus
C.
C2.
C2.
So my answer is what? Log x minus z is equal to C2. So first answer is what? X plus y by xy, comma, log x minus z, phi of this fellow is equal to 0. That is the solution. Getting or not? So don't confuse. Slowly you will do. By practice you will get. I will send you notes, don't, because scanning problem. I scanned some copy, but it's not come properly. Again, I will do with my small. I'm not able to do it with my iPhone actually. I will ask somebody and I'll scan actually. Yeah, this also you can tell any one of you. P root x, q root y, root z, LKG problem. Explain me. Dx by root x, dy by root y, dz by root z. What is integrating for first two terms? 1 by root x integration is what? All of you there or not? Hello?
1 by 2 root x.
Hey, 1 by root x integration is 1 by 2 root x. Who is that name you can give me? I will put 2 times are present for you. Option.
Root x by 2.
What?
Root x by 2.
1 by root x integration is what?
Root x by 2 root x.
What struggle, yeah, very bad, yeah. 1 by root x integration is 2 root x. That's it. So answer is what? 2 root x plus 2 root y is equal to c1. So root x plus root y is equal to c1, k1 divided by 2. Okay. Another fellow answer is what? Sorry, root x minus root y is equal to c1 you will get. Another two fellows what? dy by root y, dz by root z. So what you will get? Root y minus root z is equal to c2. So my answer is what? Root x minus root y comma root y minus root z. Or first and last if you take root x minus root z you will get. That is your wish. Here this LKG problem you can able to do nicely. Getting or not? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Am I confusing lot?
No, sir.
Very good, thank you. These problems you can try, but solutions I will give, don't worry. No time actually, lot of work, examination, conducting, everything going. You people are any writing improvement test actually? Anyone have applied improvement test something? No one is there, you know. They are conducting improvement test something actually in current SEM also. Nobody appearing. Then test our day order one only. You check it or not? Are you there? Okay, this topic I will take you later. I'm stopping here. Okay or not?
Okay, sir.
You have any now lunch hour actually for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now today okay or not actually? Without that video here dubbing voice okay or not for you? Video there I am talking.
Much better, sir.
Better or not? But actually better you can go and see that video also. That time only the clarity will come. There I will talk lot actually.